This video is brought to you by Moto Pumps, proudly made in the USA since 2005. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install an inexpensive lock for your Zumo XT. Check it out. So Moto Pumps makes this kit here where you can install just this simple plate behind your Zumo XT mount, and it allows you to lock with this pin so the button can't be depressed. Another option would be something like this Touratech mount that I have on my bike, but the problem with this one is it's so expensive. It's literally like half the cost of what the GPS cost. It is lockable as well and has kind of a hidden button to unlock it. But again, it's a little bit cumbersome, takes up a lot more room, and it's, like I said, around $199, at least at the time of this video. The Garmin Mount basically comes with this little connection here with the button. Makes it super easy to get it on and off, but the problem is that doesn't have any kind of anti-theft. Obviously, there's nothing that's completely safe. You can always get something off if you really want it, but what this part allows you to do is to lock the Zumo XT on here. That way it really deters from getting stolen. So the Moto Pump plate has several different holes.
Oh, that's badass.
Yeah, leave it, let it roll. We're next to 29 Palms Marine Base. It's way over here. And they're training of some sort, so kind of fun. Anyway, so back to what we were doing here. So the Moto Pumps bracket has several holes in it, and all you have to do really is just line it up to your mount and put the screws back in. So Logan here is just lining all the holes up, putting the screws back in. You're also going to want to make sure that you put some Loctite on these screws just to make sure that it stays nice and snug for all the vibration when you're off-road.
They do have like rubber O-rings or something in here too.
To keep them from backing out also.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Because you can feel it. They have resistance the whole way.
Nice.
This will sit behind it.
Slide right in there. It's that button. The way the button
To
can't
tighten it, you'll use the tool here we have. We'll get it in a minute.
Yeah,
and
they supply a little key for you.
Won't let you push the button and release it.
Perfect. It's got it clicked on. He slides the pin in the back.
Windshield's a little bit in the way, but not undoable.
It's not something that you're going to be doing all the time. Now, when you push the button, it will not release it, so it's locked on. What do you think? Pretty easy setup?
4 bolts. It's pretty
Nice.
easy.
What,
Yeah.
10 minutes or so? Not even?
If that, yeah.
Perfect.
With the video.
With videoing, yeah. That's right, guys. If you have any questions about this, definitely leave the comments down below. I'll leave a link to this product down below too. Moto Pumps did send me this for free, but we installed it on Logan's here, so hopefully he enjoys it. It was a really easy install. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Check out the link below, and we'll see you in the next one.